Can we skip to the good part?
Shoppers, kulayan na natin yung camping plans nyo dahil dito sa Shop and Save Australian Surplus, sagot na namin ang mga camping essentials nyo. Camping chairs for only $990 with bag na yan nakasama. Fridge freezers, dito ka lang din makakahanap. Meron tayo ditong 50-liter single zone fridge freezer for only $15,500. Adventure Ridge dual zone for only $17,500 and 73 liters na yan. And of course, meron tayong 6-person tent for only $6,500 and 8-person tent for only $7,500. Hindi lang yan dahil dito meron tayong foldable swing for only $4,500 kaya afford mo nang mag-relax while nasa camping. Luggage, meron din dito for as low as $950 kaya ano pang hinihintay mo, mag-order ka na bago pa maging drawing na naman yung camping nyo.